Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just show you a quick preview of the next steps here. So we ended Peter patter. You want to go, I want to liver on a platter. Use your fingers, stir my teeth. And for dessert, I'll suck your teeth. Or if you guys think the last move is too girly, you can go, suck your teeth. Okay, so let me break down part 2. Actually, we want to do the last move as well because it kind of continues after that. So from here, pitter patter, you want to go whoop. Yeah, so I'm just turning my palms outwards, and then left is on top, right is at the bottom here, and then you want to turn it around, whoop, like this, and then right comes on top, and stop. And you don't want it too close to your body because you want to do this rolling afterwards. So let's just try again. Pitter, patter. Yeah, so we're prepping for the next, and then you want to say around, round, 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 stop. So around here, now the left wants to come on top. So you basically just switching here, whoop, and then again, and then one last time, the left goes up, and then to the front. Notice how my right is holding my left elbow here. Yeah, so let's just rewind a bit. So we just did ended here where the left is at the bottom. Now it wants to come on top. Whoop, so we're going around, down, and then this time it goes like this. Whoop, that goes to the front. So let's just try again. So let's just take it from here where we go around, stop, continue here. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go around and then continue and roll up, down. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go around and then left goes up, round, round, and then sit around the platter. One last time. 5, here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go round, roll, roll, here. Now the timing. So, pitter, patter, and then it goes, I want your liver on a platter. So let's just try that again. Pitter, patter, yeah, so pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. Alright, moving on. Next part is gonna be easy. So, platter, from here you go cross, out, cross, out. And you can either just do two of the same, or one up here, one down here, or opposite. Yeah, whatever. So, whoom, whoom from here. You want to say prep with your left here, because you want to do the 8 figure or figure 8, down to your right, up, left, drink. So let's just do that again. One, and then prep, right, up, left, drink. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go one, prep, right, up, left, drink. And the timing is use your fingers, stir my tea. Yeah, that's the timing. So it goes a bit fast, but let's take it slow. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna practice wah. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Use your finger to stir my tea. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Use your finger, stir my tea. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Use your finger to stir my tea. Alright guys, we're almost there, and the last part is actually also easy. Let's go whoop here. From here, I think it's different what people do, but you can do like Charlie does. So she goes here with the left, around your hip. We've done this before. Yeah. And then you go here, both hands down, and then you want to say right, left, or it doesn't matter which way. So you can either go right, left, or left, right. Yeah, and you go hip, down, booty up, down, up, center. Or you can do whatever. I think it's a freestyle part where people just do different things. So you can also do what? By the way, for those of you who really wants to do this, it's just cross, cross, and then flex. Yeah, and your legs go left, right, left, up, and also lean a bit to your left side. So when you combine it, wow, wow. Hey! Okay, so now for the timing of this very last part, right after T, it goes and for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Or and for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Okay, so let's just practice that very last part here. So from T, you go, I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and for dessert, I'll serve your tea. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. So one last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright, so that was part 2, guys. So let me just do a quick recap and then we can practice a few times before we do the full dance, yeah? Okay, so quick recap of part 2 here. And it pitter, patter, I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger, stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Okay, now let's practice that a bit slower. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start from pitter, patter. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Pitter, patter, I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Okay, let's just try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Pitter, patter, I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Okay, one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Pitter, patter, I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright guys, now let's tie the whole thing together. So part 1 and part 2. I'm gonna do a quick preview, and then we're gonna do a run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so a quick preview, it goes. I'll eat you up whenever you tell me I'm pretty. That's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Okay, a quick run through. So it goes hips around while you do eat, eat, eat. From here, you want to say cross, out, push up, and then that goes around your head. Here, now you want to say step left, center, step right, back. From here, you want to do hard. Also do a small body roll here. And then you want to say chest, pop, and pop. And you want to say prep for the next circle here, circle thing. And then you want to say left goes up, down, up, serve. From here, we want to do cross, out, and then you want to go prep with your left, 8 figure, figure 8, whatever, here, and say T. From here, you want to go around your head, or just whatever, freestyle, and then freestyle also. Now, the timing is I'll eat you up whenever you tell me I'm pretty. That's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright, now let's practice. So I'm gonna go super slow. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start I'll eat you up. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go I'll eat you up. And whenever you tell me I'm pretty, that's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright, let's just try that a bit faster. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. I'll eat you up. And whenever you tell me I'm pretty, that's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter, patter. I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright guys, let's just try it one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. I'll eat you up. And whenever you tell me I'm pretty, that's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter, patter. I want your liver on platter. Use your finger, stir my tea. And for dessert, I'll serve your tea. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Kesha Cannibal TikTok dance. If you are interested in seeing me doing these TikTok dances on TikTok, then I've posted my account name here somewhere. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.